in today's videos, we are going to demonstrate any patients to the lateral position and the log rolling positions. Let's get acquainted with him. Hello sir, this is Sundar.
Yes ma'am.
How are you sir today?
I'm fine ma'am.
Okay sir. Sir, I am Anitha. I am going to the assistance of you today. I would like you to position you laterally sir.
Okay ma'am.
Okay sir, just a minute, I will be back with the gloves and wash my hands. First, make his hand like this. Hand, place your finger. Remove the bed sheets and place your like this and move him like this. Then like this and make sure like this, put on floor and in between the legs shouldn't be like this and like this also.
உன்னை எடுக்கணுமா?
And cover it. Soften it. We are going to log rolling the patient. First, we must ensure take out the bed sheets and make him like that. After that, like this, and make will be like that and be stretchable with them. After that, take the pillows between the legs, contour with him. And between his hands for him. And make him covered. That's all guys. After this, wash your hands for precautions and safety. Thank you.